Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add your site to Google search, to Yahoo search, or we can say Bing search. So it is the same. Yahoo search, or we can say Bing search, is the same place of between submitting your site to this one to Bing Webmaster. So to do that, you need to sign in or sign up with your Microsoft account or your other account, Google account, or yes, any email that you can sign up with that. After you have already signed up, you need to you will see the page like this. You will see the coming page like this, and I have already signed up with my emails, so you need to go ahead and sign it up to create your account with that. And after that, you need to here is my website that you already set up with them a few days ago, but I have one more blogspot website that I want to show you how to uh, add your website to this place. So in this place you will see the top of the drop down menu here, and we're gonna add a new site, or we can say add a site here. And here is another site that I will show you how to add this blogger website, blogspot site to the Bing Webmaster tool. So go ahead and copy your link just like this, and make sure that you have entered your URL, and then press slash, and then sitemap.xml. You need to add one more thing just like this after your blogger address, to make sure that this blogger address is already added with custom robot yet or not. So you need to click enter to see they are already add custom maps yet or not. If you see this code like this, it means you already add the custom robot and in your blogger here. So if you are not yet at the custom robot, it will not appearing like this. So before we get started, you need to add your custom robot just like this. It here, custom robot is here. So go ahead and select or see my video in the description how to add custom robot, crawlers, and indexing. And now we gonna start to do. First, you need to copy the URL of your blogger like this, but don't use the sitemap.xml, and pass it here just like this. Okay. After you have already passed the code, you need to click add. But if you are using your Google account to sign up with Microsoft Bing account, you need to import everything here. But I know I'm not recommend you to do that, so I recommend you to do with this step. So go ahead and click add here. After add, you will see this page appearing So you need to do one more steps by HTML or verify uh, your blogger's address. So you need to verify it by clicking on verify, or you can find any code here. So you need to do with that, or you can download the code and pass it inside your blogger's coding. If you are not doing that, it cannot verify. And here is the C names or record DNS. If you like this way to verify with Bing account, and here is the XML files. So there are three ways that you can verify with your bloggers with Bing search, so or Yahoo search. So one is an XML file and other is an HTML meta text, and the other is the CNAME record to DNS. But I tell you the one more simple to do is the HTML meta text. Is the best way of adding. So go ahead and click on that and copy all this code here, or you can click copy directly just like this without selecting, and then go to your blogger.com and sign in to your account, and then go to the sim and click on the drop down menu here and click on edit HTML. After that, just among this you will see a lot of meta text is appearing on the top of the code, but that is not a Bing meta text. So you need to pass your code inside this place. But make sure that you have put your code just inside the head tag like this. So here is the head tag. So put it just below the head tag, just like this, and then click save. After you have already clicked save, you need to go back to your to this place and click on verify now. So go ahead and click on verify, and it will say congratulations, site edition successful. Your domain blah 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 is successful add to the Bing Webmaster tool, and then click done. But you have one more step to do with that. It means you are not yet working to the search indexing. So you need to add one more step, is called sitemap here. So click on sitemap and then click on submit sitemap, and then pass the URL of your blogger sitemap. It is this time is you need to select all of this sitemap here. It means like this, your URL and slash sitemap.xml. So go ahead and pass it here, and then click on submit. When you are already submit, you will see the processing is appearing like this, and it will work for you for a few minutes more, and every link you will be see Google search is listing your URL. So you can also click on that and on that also, but you have to wait to see when it is working for you. after you have already waiting for a few minutes or 30 minutes, you will see something that look like this, that URL discover in your site is appearing, and they said everything is successful. So now your site is going to search in Google, in Yahoo search and Bing search. So it appearing on Bing search and Yahoo search now. So thank you for watching my video.